Hi team, welcome to BotPenguin. In today's video, we'll understand how to add email alerts so that you never miss a chat and how this feature works. To add your email alerts, start by navigating to your website bot. From there, go to Configure Bot Settings and then click on Alerts. Here, you can choose the email subject for your notifications. Next, enable email notifications and lead revisit notifications and add your email address in this field provided. For example, I'll add my email address here. Once you enter the email, make sure to press enter to confirm it. After that, click on save changes. Now let's understand how email alerts work. Whenever a lead interacts with your bot and the interaction is completed, the user closes the tab. The email alert is automatically triggered. You will receive an email notification containing the full chat conversation that took place with the bot. And that's it. That is how simple it is to use email alerts in BotPenguin and ensure that you never miss an important conversation. Thank you for choosing BotPenguin. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.